Excuse me. Look, it's a short train, though. Look, it's going pretty fast, isn't it?
It's speeding up,
Yeah.
I believe.
I need to use you because I don't want the sun in my eyes.
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I have the hiccups.
Look, it is Amtrak.
Yep. Ooh, look how fast it's going now.
Wow. It's going like real
It's gonna
fast.
be right beside us too.
Look, they're flashing.
And there's the Pacific Ocean.
Yep.
Whoop, whoop.
Look, the gas is starting to go down.
Well, these gates are real quiet, aren't they?
Yeah. I feel like they seem a lot louder.
Are you gonna wave at the Amtrak train?
Daddy, it seems really quiet, doesn't it, Amtrak?
Yep.
Look what it says.
It says 2117. They wave.
Daddy,
Yeah.
the train didn't really have a number on the side.
I think it said 2117. And did you see the engineer waving?
Yeah. Daddy, normally Amtrak is a short train, isn't it?
Yeah.
So straight up, really fast.
Yep. Well, when we get back somewhere where we have service, do you have anything to say? What about how exciting it was to see our first Amtrak? No? All right, just say bye.
Bye. I just said bye because look, there goes the train. Look, way down there. It was so awesome that we saw what Amtrak